If you choose not to believe it, that's perfectly fine, because we have not given you any evidence yet. And one of the wonderful things about science is it's about evidence, it's not about belief.
And some scientists now think we might just be able to find that evidence. They propose that if our universe and another were born close together, the two might have collided. That collision could have left its own fingerprints, ripples in the cosmic background radiation, the heat left over from the Big Bang.
And so there should be circles in the sky, and some have even tried to suggest it's already been seen. I don't think that has gained any traction. I don't think anybody actually much believes that. But this is a disputed idea. But nevertheless, if there were collisions between such bubbles, so the bubbles form and then they collide with each other, then we would get some kind of thing in the microwave sky which indicated that that was true. Jean-Philippe again has looked at this. Say something about it, Jean-Philippe.
Well, this is the beauty of theoretical physics. You can construct many models to back up many arguments. So I would say that if you were seeing like the fine structure constant with two different values in two different regions of space, for me it will not be a proof of the existence of multiverse. I can just construct such a model. Actually, we did one with Keith Olive and Marco Peloso. We had a domain wall, and then this is what I call a micro landscape. So this is just, we have physics underneath the standard physics, and basically there are phase transitions, and what you think is fundamental is actually not fundamental physics. So you have some kind of zone with different value of this quantity in our bubble volume. So this is possible to do. On the other hand, if I was saying another bubble, and you can show that there is a number of spatial dimension is different there, I would suggest that maybe this is like this kind of issues, because I don't expect. I mean, there were papers where they were seeing slight indication for bubble collisions. It was a slight modification of physics. In the multiverse, each bubble have completely different number of quark flavors, of symmetry, of spatial dimension. There is not a single reason so that the bubble you collide with is very, as a physics, very close to the one in which you are living today. So in order for such an argument to really give a hint toward the multiverse, I would need to have a very strong physical, like sharp gradients of some physical parameters. Otherwise, I'm sure I can construct field theory models that will explain this.
But Jean-Philippe, if the physics was really different, then this collision wouldn't be a minor perturbation, it would be a major catastrophe.
Exactly, this is what I'm saying. I mean,
it wouldn't be a tiny thing you'd have to search for. There would be major regions of the sky which would look completely different.
Yes.
Yeah, which we don't see.